2022 Honda Accord Sedan. With less than 53,000 miles on the odometer, this sedan combines safety and comfort with style and performance. It strikes the perfect balance of fun and function while offering lane keeping assist, lane departure warning, multi-zone air conditioning, heated side view mirrors, leather seats, backup camera, power driver seat, power passenger seat, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, keyless start, rear spoiler, auto climate control, keyless entry. Make an appointment today to test drive this popular model.